We are pleased to show you the 2021 Golf GTI. This Volkswagen is considered by many to be the hot hatchback. The GTI easily accommodate up to 4 adults. A decent-sized 15-plus cubic foot trunk is well-shaped and easy to load. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.